boys? So welcome to another backtesting video. I am back from the break and I believe I've regrouped enough. It's time to get this thing rolling and make it happen. So I think we can start with our backtesting sessions. Let me just get Twitch and Kick to start the streams. Right, so looks like Kick doesn't want to. Alright, Kick has also started. So without delay, let's just get started. We're going to be doing the inversion model. We've been doing it with 2023, but it wasn't really working well. So with this break, I realized that I shouldn't see this in a short-term perspective. I should maximize it and make the most out of it, make the most out of these backtesting sessions, like learn more, reflect on the journals and stuff. So I'm gonna do this backtesting, then later on I'll do some journaling for the trades I took today. I took some shorts on NQ, so today was a really good one, can't deny that. So without more fluff, let's just get started with this inversion here, this inversion model. Why is it delaying though? It's really going slow. I don't know why. Let me check the internet. Something is wrong with this session for real. I don't know why trade sale is not loading up. Finally, bro. Finally. Right, so let's check the daily time frame. Looks bullish. Got some highs there. The weekly is looking great. Like to see it continue to this high here. Check the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this is the closest gap we have, but I'd like to see it hold bullish. Down to the 1 hour. There's not really much here. It's just a small gap here. Let's see, I think this is some minor sell side that could get taken out. Right, good open. This is a good open. be honest. We'll 15 to 15. We just run this slow. I haven't run this one, so I'd really like to see this one get run first. Alright, so we've got now the SMT. We're consolidating here. Right, very good drop. Now we're gonna inverse here. Alright, so now onto the 5. Okay, good 5 close. Have a fair rate gap here. Let's see if it gets inversed. Doesn't get inversed. Now the 15-minute looks bullish, to be honest. The 1 hour, nothing. 2 hour, good fair value gap. The 4 hour is a good small fair value gap here. So now I think we can long it to probably these relatively equal highs. I think right there. Let's make it 20. So this will be like 500 over 40. So now we take 12. It's 1.4 R. Okay, let's see where this heads. This is my take profit here. Come on, bro. You're edging it every single time. Boom, take profit. Very close to break even, to be honest. So grateful for this. I mean, ended up hitting even this high here, but bro, this was quite long. So good trade, good game there, good game. Let's go to the next trade and see how this goes. Next day, sorry. So let's go to the next AM session. So you see the next day also is bullish. I think it's gonna hold bullish, obviously. Continue to these highs. And I'm checking the 4 hour. Well, we're in a 4 hour gap here. We don't have any areas there, so I'd rather wait. I would like to target. This is good sweep of the Asia lows, by the way. I'd like to see where the standard deviation goes. So this is the next potential target. Looking at the 15-minute, we have a news candle here. So maybe if you can retrace into this 15-minute gap, I'd look for longs or probably here. But I think longs will be good here. So I'm gonna wait for the open, drop into the gap directly. 5 minutes not looking like the best. Is it gonna inverse here? Okay, very great. Good SMT here. Good inversion here. I put it there. And this will be like 1.62, so 500 over 60. Then I'll take 8. a direct stop. Very quick, very quick. So now we've just inversed this thing here. I don't know if it's still gonna hold because it was a really low here. Let's just wait and see. So the 4 hour very close here. But we're now in this gap. We're still in that 4 hour gap. How about the 1 hour? Not looking at the best. I'd rather let this day go because it looks like it's gonna be bearish, obviously. Gonna be a bearish day here. I get a retracement into a 15. I don't know if shorts are gonna hold, but I think bullish and it's gonna continue go higher. I think this day will continue being bullish, obviously. This so little is resting here. It stinks the daily low. Close to a free gap. So there's no like 4 hour gap or something like that. Well, we just have this 1 hour. I don't know if it just reversed directly, but I'm opting for longs towards these relatively highs. So these are on the lows here, by the way. Alright, this is a crazy move. So sweep of this low here. This is the 930 candle. Look at this good conversion here, and we've also run some lows. We hit the 15-minute gap here. I think we can long it. Roll to the next 15-minute gap, which will be like here, but also these highs here will be great. I mean, if we long it here, well, there's a 5-minute gap though. Let's see. Long it in the stop there, and break even there, and target here. This will be 26. So that's 26 times 2. And that's 500 over 52, which is 9.6 %. So buy it here. And now my SL will still be here, and my take profit will be really high. I'd like to sell 10 though, because this will be big risk. It's not what I plan to lose. If this thing is to lose, come on, bro, just fly now. Close, so close. Bang. Take profit gets hit right there. So very great trade here. 2.55 hour. So this day was that bullish, like we got a win, but wasn't really strongly bullish. Now this day opened up bearish, but I still opt for it to go higher. I think it's forming like some sort of 4-3. It's Thursday 15th, the 4 hour. With some relatively equal lows here. Sell side liquidity. I don't know if it's gonna draw to them. Now the 1 hour is looking like the best so far. I think I'd rather let it phase out to this low, to these lows, because I don't know if, let's see, I probably like some constant correction level can get retraced to. Check the 4 hour, I mean the 2 hour, we're in a gap, so I think it's probably gonna head lower for the day. I'd like to see it hold bearish. I'll wait for the open, obviously. Okay, now we get a run on the highs. Now look at how we have an SMT at the lows, like at this low and this low here. Now let's see what happens. So the Asia highs here get run. ES has already run this low. I don't know if it's gonna reverse like now. Maybe I could also be wrong on the bias, which is totally fine. I mean, it looks like the final like bullish take profit gets hit this high here, and the other, is it a weekly or a monthly high? Okay, this is the weekly high actually. When you check the 2 minute and the 1 minute, we've now burst this gap here. It's a good gap, and maybe it's gonna start dropping, but I'd like to see this 5 minute candle close first, and it didn't close good, so it's gonna hold bullish here. I'm confident it's gonna hold bullish. Yeah, let's see, they hold bullish. I mean, I could have bought it here, but I didn't have like a strong sweep of a low. Just long it from here will be sus. It wouldn't give me the best RR. Let's just go to the next day. Right, so we've already hit the weekly target, weekly high. Now let's see another strong high we can target. Weekly high there. Alright, so we have a good gap here with some sell side. Now on the 1 hour, I'd like to see I'd like to see something like a standard deviation level, but we also have for a 1 hour here that's holding, so we couldn't even really need that possibly. And now the 15. Now I'll just wait for some sweep, probably at the open or somewhere there. Okay, the low here gets run. 15 minute looking crazy. This standard deviation level has already got hit. Maybe we have a high here. Now let's see what happens here. So we have an SMT as of now, and it gets validated. The SMT gets validated. Now I've run this low. I'd like to see it start reversing probably. Let's check the 1 minute. Another run here, so we already have an SMT bullish one. How's the 15 minute? The 15 minute also has run this low here, and this one. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna hold bullish. I think it's gonna retrace higher, then start dropping. Well, the thing is, they don't have strong gaps here. It's like not even a full handle. Right here now, you can say we reversed a strong one. Around handles. This is the one that I would sell because we have the sweep here, the inversion, the 15-minute gap. So I'd like to see it hold to probably somewhere here. Obviously, this will be here. Let's do something like this. One mini. Why is it not selling, bro? Come on. Right, now let's see what happens. Could get stopped out in just one candle. Yep, expected that. I mean, look at these highs. And the best sweep you could ever get. Why do I feel the urge to short it now? In this 2 minute thing here. Or this gap there. Damn. Hour here. There's a gap. Don't know if this one's gonna hold, but I'd like to see it hold, and then I could take longs to the upside. Let's just see what happens. We'll have also some 1 hour gap. Let me wait for the open. Maybe the open could put in some manipulation. Let's lower this one. Price gets lower. Let's see, will it run this one? Nope, there's an SMT there. Oh, the market is going really slow this day. I don't know, is it like a bank holiday or something? Alright, the low then gets run. Now is it gonna reverse probably? Good inversion there. I'd like to see it now head to these highs. How's the 5? The 15. Oh god, bro. I hate when we're in these types of scenarios. But they aren't the best. You can see how good it pushes to the upside. Scenarios like this, like, I'm not confident it's gonna go this high because, I mean, just because of this gap here. Sometimes it runs again. Maybe you can just long it. I mean, to this high here. 10 handles, that would be really, really small, but I mean, who cares? Ooh, 10, 50. These positions are getting out of hand, alright? So this will be a stop profit there. Now we've got to do just wait and get cooked. Three profit there. Bro, what just happened? Crazy BE, man. Like, I used my take profit by ticks. I hate this. I hate this. And end up hitting take profit. This is insane. This is insane. Well, lesson learned. Actually, it's not a lesson. I moved to break even because most of my interest like hit the target right away. So let's go to the start of the next day and see what happens. What's this position doing here? But was there any position running? Huh? I don't get it. Now we're in a small gap here. It's around I think probably still bullish here. But looking at how these guys are closing, we're embracing this thing. We're going aggressively, really aggressively. How's the 1H? We'll embrace this thing here. I don't know. Looking on the daily, we have no upside wick, and we're in this gap and some new day open gap here. So I mean, holding bullish is possible. So I mean, you can try trading it to hold bullish. Let's see, the 4 hour is not holding this here effectively, so that's why I'm kind of skeptical of this thing holding. But there is some 2 hour gaps here, and 1 hour. Could probably trade bullish to the next 1 hour POI there. It's going really, really slow this day, so it's not giving off the best. It doesn't look like the best, to be honest. Right, 9:30 open, very aggressive. This was a good open. I don't know if we're gonna get a retracement or something sort of. Okay, good descent at the lows. It shows that we're gonna head higher. Let's see if this the low gets run. Very good drop on the 5 minute. It's in a 5 minute gap. I don't know if it's gonna now reverse. It's actually bearish. So this is something like I'm really skeptical what's gonna happen here. Relatively close. This was a good move, by the way. This one here. this inversion here. Now this is the retracement of 5-minute gap after inversing. So you can make sure the sell here was a good one. So let's see if we can short this thing. Maybe if, because we've already retraced into a 15-minute, maybe if we can get inversion, you could probably sell this thing, 15-minute gap, it's a 5-minute gap. I mean, I can probably short it to these lows here. This looks like a 1-to-1 though. 500 over 36. That's 13. Sorry. Come on, why is it delaying? Yeah, I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. Direct stop out, bro. Direct stop out. It hurts. Is it gonna reverse now? Oh, come on. Just reverse already. Alright. We're cooked. I think I forced that one. Wait. But why isn't this thing closing my positions, to be honest? Like, what's wrong with them? Now, why is this position still running though? I don't know why. Wait. Okay, now this is looking crazy. Alright. New day, 4 hour, giving the ick. Doesn't look like the best PA this will be, man. Oh, the day closed great. I mean, in the gap. So probably we could stay bullish. At least I hope so. So I think we had those Asia highs today. Ooh, aggressive open, bro. That's an aggressive open. This is a crazy drop. We just impressed this capsule, so it's it's like an alert that we're bearish. I don't know if it's gonna retrace before hitting that low, but all I do know is that this low is gonna get taken out soon enough. 15-minute gap retracement, 5-minute gap retracement. Now we're gonna inverse something here. All right, we don't inverse it. We get a run on this high here. I mean, you can short this now to the next relatively close over this low here, something like this. want 1.1. 1.1 R. That's 500 over 64. I'm just taking 500 to this. So this is 8. Now all I gotta do is just sit and wait. Alright. Gonna get either cooked or we're gonna cook. Well, the way it's consolidating, I think we're gonna get cooked. Odds are we're gonna get cooked. Alright, ends up hitting. Very nice. Why isn't this thing closing any of my positions? Like I'm closing them manually every single time. And I ended up closing it at 1.7 hour. This is luck, not a skill, to be honest. Here it's luck. So good trade here. Now check the daily again. The reason I ended up taking shorts is not like validating my bullish bias, is because it looks bearish. It had impressed the 1 hour, so what would I have? What should I expect after the price does that? Bearishness. Well, we've impressed a small daily gap here, we're dropping lower and lower, so marking daily lows as potential sell side. We already have this thing here, so 4 hour. I think the closest strong 1 hour gap we have is here. Maybe we could retrace there before it's dropped, because I think it's bearish. Yeah, let's see if we can short this thing. Well, we're in some 15-minute gaps with some sort of SMTs. Okay, could run in the highs now. Not in any sort of gap. And yep, the 1 hour gap that I was waiting for gets tapped in. So if we're gonna reverse, it's gotta be now. Check the 1 hour. This here hasn't been run yes. I don't know if it's gonna reverse. I don't know. I mean, I could probably short it if it reverses. Okay, here it reverses. Well, we could trade it to the next 5-minute low, like here. Just like a simple days hit 1-to-1. So this is a huge, I mean, it's a huge sell. I'm making it lower to fit this inversion candle. Let's see, the 15-minute low, probably like here, 1.8 R. That's 500. 31, which is 16. Break even once this 5-minute low gets taken out. Let's see what happens. Wait. Let's add 4 more. Right now, let's just say like bro, I literally got stopped out. Why isn't this thing closing my position? have the best internet to be sure, to be honest. So yep, let's stop that right away. Oh god, this is insane. I mean, I was wrong, but no, I mean, I'm okay with being wrong. Okay, I think P is starting to drop these days. I mean, the 4H. So Friday. I mean, it's dropping out. This is not a day I would like to risk my money, but we have good sell side liquidity here. Buy side, I mean, every single place has liquidity there. Yeah, just gonna sit around and see what price does. Not worth it. And see, price has been dropping up, honestly, so there's no real bias here. We'll have some Asia gap here holding. I wonder if this one is here is gonna, this one here is gonna hold. I think we're gonna go lower now. Okay, 15-minute good drop. Is it gonna reverse though? This is not a good close. This is not a good close. Like the one I close like this, it's not a good close for me to be bearish. Okay, now we have a 15-minute drop here, creating an inversion. It's a 15-minute drop. I want to reverse though. We we're gonna just let this happen, whatever. I mean, it's just some chop after chop. Right now, looks like we've got after chop, and I think we're probably gonna head lower. I mean, if this gap's gonna hold, probably might as well live away because this candle is looking some sort of like a pin bar. So we also have a new week open gap here, so maybe we're good up there. So good 4-hour high, and the target's there. Gotta see the liquidity get run here. Good run, ultimately runs high into the 4-hour. But inverses here. How's the 5? I mean, 5's looking okay. 15 also okay. I mean, you can target these 15-minute low hanging fruits here. I think they probably reach there. Where's something here? This is 26 times 2. That's 400 over 52. That's 9.6. That's 10. Let's call it this inversion here. So this is a 5. Good sweep on the 4-hour high. Okay, here we got cooked. Absolutely cooked. I think this, because it was the first present Fibonacci, I should have waited for it to get inversed. Crazy sweep there. Ho 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 ho. Aggressive. Well, ended up putting on this inversion here, and very good sweep with an SMT. I still think we're gonna head here, but then this wouldn't give me a good risk to reward. I mean, I could trade this, but gonna retrace obviously. Soon enough, it's gonna retrace. So it looks like this thing here is holding. Didn't expect that, but well and good. Inverse the 4-hour, left behind a good 4-hour gap. So I really think it's probably then gonna hold. Then look for some buys. Prices just run here. 1-hour gap, obviously it's gonna run this low. Okay, there we get the SMT. We're gonna get a good retracement into a 5-minute gap. Sorry, 5-minute gap is there, and I don't know if it's gonna reverse here. Right, so at this inverse here, I think we can long it. Something like this. So got the SMT, the sweep, we ran these lows and we're rejecting. I really think we're gonna head higher now, and I'm longing it in some sort of like 1-hour gap. I'm confident it's gonna go to these. Okay, bullish draws of liquidity, draws on liquidity, uh, which is also sometimes hard because the power of 3 is about to form. The next hourly power of 3 is about to form, so let's see what happens. Where is this guy from? Let me check my Twitch. Alright, so my stop loss will be here and my take profit will be somewhere around here. Let's see what happens. Boom, get kicked in the nuts. So I think the long did high there. Come on, come seriously, bro. Hits DP like after he gets stopped out. So one key lesson here is where should I have longed it? Probably here. Probably here. This is where I should have longed it, to be honest. Well. There's an SMT at this high here. There's no like fear. Okay, there's a gap here, but I don't give it that much hope. I think like since we're bullish, probably run some lows, then start heading higher. That's the only thing that I would like really like to see from to take some longs. Right now it's ripping lower, ripping like crazy. Not a day to trade here. No, we didn't end up retracing here. Felt really close to it. Let me check the daily. The daily is looking extremely bullish. Let me see if there are some reasons I would take buys today, other than this impression here. Is there like a 1 hour gap that's holding? None. So I'd expect like a retracement. Well, the only gap we have holding is this one here. Like we've already moved too much. Where would our targets be? Probably like a daily high, This is a daily high here, so we can target that in the case price, manages to hold bullish. 15-minute gap here. Maybe if you can retrace, then I'd look for longs. Saying open as always. To like take profit, just get hits in the first 19 minutes of market open without any sort of retracement for me to take a trade from. Okay, good retracement lower. Sweep into the 15-minute gap. I think we're gonna run these highs here. That was the 1H. Come on. Sometimes it's not looking like the best, to be honest. I think we can long it these last. Considering that we have some SMTs, obviously. Something like this here. So let's see if this hit. That's like 15. Pro end up reversing higher and even in the move, obviously. I have some 4-hour gap here. It's like a low base hit. Some SMTs here. Is it gonna head lower? I think so. It's a Monday. Do we have like a new whatever open gap closed here? Open here, so there's a gap here. This could potentially replace too. Okay, could open. Okay, good move to the upside. How's the 1 hour? 1 hour gap's holding there. The 15, not the best. And when you zoom in this here, as I was looking, the 15-minute gap's holding there. Well, it's impressed aggressively to the point that if I short it, then I'll be targeting like at least this low here, something like this. This is not the best PA, to be honest. Like, bro, worst. It's the worst, to be honest. Like, how do you close like this and you just chill? That will be insane. So this 17 times 2. It's 500 over 34. That's fucking, like, I can count the number of evals I would have blown if I was trading this time. Because, okay, maybe I wouldn't be trading this model, I don't know, but this model is not really great at working with this time. Now let's just sit and wait to get kicked in the nuts. I mean, like, get stopped out, doesn't close my position. What is wrong with this thing? I know what's wrong with TradeZilla. Crazy as hell. We should go 1 hour. It's really not the best, obviously. I'm not confident with it that this high is not gonna get taken out. Let's see, should I have shorted it like this? Sorry. This inversion, put the stop at the high. Then like target, like, let's see if I target at 1, 2. This look is taking it. It's not here, probably. All I did was I targeted the lowest hanging fruit. I think my SL was a little bit tight there as well. Right, another bullish day here. Kind of slow, didn't reach to this gap here. This 4-hour gap around there. I don't know how it's gonna hold bullish if it hasn't retraced into any sort of like gap. Well, this bullish 1 hour doesn't look like the best gap to hold. Let's see what we're gonna do. Asia lows there. Here with the open. I need to edit this. I need to zap it out. Where is it? I'm gonna zap something that keeps distracting me. Yeah, I removed it because it was distracting me. I would like look at the PNL and stuff. Great, now let's continue. So now we're in a 15-minute gap created at 9:15. How's ES? Whoa, what kind of candles are these? So after this 5-minute inversion, I think I can long it. Wait, back. Okay, if the 5-minute closes like this, we can long it at 10 and target this high. It's up like a 1-to-1, I think. This will be the smallest trade. It's 500 over 6. That's 83. Smallest trade, to be honest. The 15-minute looks like it's rejecting. We can get good or make something probably. Get cooked again. Now we're in the daily gap, 4-hour gap as well, the one that I was waiting for. Sorry. Now, if the bearishness holds, obviously this will be a draw on liquidity. Otherwise, I think we're gonna head higher to. We have also 1-hour high there. An SMT. Okay, it opened the heads into the 1-hour gap. This is a crazy 15-minute right at the open, bro. Insane. So this was a crazy 15-minute. It's good. Obviously it's gonna hold bullish. The only problem is that I don't have any more targets now. Except if I target like the high there. So let's see if we get any crucial retracements. I think I've been on a crazy losing streak, to be honest here. Crazy drop. Insane drop, to be honest. This 15-minute low hanging fruit. This is gonna go slow. Really slow. Look at this consolidation. Let's check the losing streak that we're on. 2023 version model. The worst, absolutely the worst. Let's check it. Like, seriously? Someone 6 trades, 6 consecutive losing trades. That's insane. I'll be looking for some shorts today. So is it gonna retrace with the constant encroachment of this week? Come on, why is it delaying? How is it gonna inverse? Just wait and see. Looking like the past, to be honest. Same drop, like literally just versus this one here. Some gaps here as well. I think we could short it. I mean, let's check the 5. 15. I can just open, I can target these relatively close here. So with the 4 hours, the one that will be rejecting, and the daily. The daily we're in a gap, or in the daily fair value gap cycle. I'm just gonna sit and see. And the base hit just hits. Like if I had shorted it off of this inversion here, with a stop there and the take profit there, would have got a simple 1 to 5 hour. This is the model. I saw the 4-hour hold. 1 hour, like literally everything was calling for some shorts at this level. So this is if we take the straight, that's 100 over 70. 100 over 70, that would be like 7. I think we should sell 7, or at least I will target this. It's like a daily low or something. Well, it's I think it's like some liquidity level where I marked in the past. So then you change it to here then. You know, the problem is that this thing won't fill me like the whatever. Seriously. desktop.rbe. Then y edge it. Y edge the TP. This is absolutely yes. Well, whatever. It's Monday, Wednesday, so I think we'll continue tomorrow. I'm just gonna end.